What we're going to look at is some introduction to deep breathing and meditation. Now, some of you might ask me, what is meditation to begin with? And you'll get a lot of different answers from a lot of different people. For me, the simplified version of it is a way to help relax the body and mind through both deep breathing and just allowing yourself to try to relax as much as possible. Blank out all the noise from your life and just enjoy living in the moment. So, why would someone want to meditate to begin with? There's a lot of potential benefits. Some of the things that I'm going to highlight are that you may have decreased anxiety and stress from your overall life. You may have decreased tension and rigidity through your body if you're often tense and feel like your muscles just can't have a break. Some meditation and deep breathing may help with that. On top of having decreased anxiety, stress, and muscle strain, because of that, you're going to potentially sleep better. That's one thing that I notice with meditation. I sleep a lot better, I sleep a lot more calm, and it just feels great. The last thing is that you're going to be able to focus all of your attention onto one specific task. That's not as easy to do if you constantly are thinking about a lot of different things. So meditating allows you to breathe easy and focus on what needs to be accomplished. Now, setting yourself up for a good meditation practice is just as important as the meditation itself. So we're going to go through a couple of things that I think are important when you want to start meditating. The first thing is that you need a nice, quiet, and calm room. Having noise and distraction will make this increasingly difficult to help yourself calm down. The next thing is to have a slightly dimmed room. You can either do this through putting sunglasses on if you are not able to be in a dimmed room, or you can even put a sleep mask over your eyes to block out all light altogether. I usually just turn the lights off in my room and close my eyes. That kind of makes it a good atmosphere for myself. Another thing that you can do is to put on a pleasant song or sound. I put in headphones and actually just type in meditation and calming music into YouTube. It's some very relaxing, low stress music, and it really helps set the mood well. In addition to setting the mood with your music, you can also do it with your scent. I do that through either putting a nice smelling candle on, or you can use an essential oil diffuser as well. Put a nice scent on that you want to smell throughout this meditation. It'll make the experience that much better. The thing is to make sure you have a comfortable chair to sit in. Something that's hard and rickety and is really unstable isn't going to be that good for this. You want to find something that is stable but also very comfortable as well. Some individuals like laying down on their bed. It's kind of up to you. You'll just have to play around with what works best. In terms of the meditation itself, there's a lot of different things that you can do when it comes to meditation, a lot of different variations. We're just going to go over a few simple breathing techniques. The one that I call is the breathe, hold, and breathe technique. And how that works is the following. What you do is start by closing your eyes, and I'll do so as well. Once you close your eyes, you're going to focus on the overall feelings of your entire body. Notice how your arms feel. Notice how your neck feels. Notice all the tension you might have in your body. Start to focus on relaxing the best you can and just focusing on breathing in calmly and breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. After a couple minutes of this, just calm, simple breathing, we're going to focus on the breathe, hold, breathe. So next what we're going to do is breathe in, hold for a couple seconds, and breathe out. Good. Breathe in, hold for a couple seconds, and breathe out. Good. So you're going to actually go through this motion a few times. You can do it for a few minutes. You can do it for many minutes. Just allow yourself some time to get into the moment, feel that tension releasing from your body, and enjoy just breathing and relaxing. relaxing. You're trying to make your mind as relaxed as possible. So if you have multiple things coming in there, try your best to think of the blank space of your mind itself. If a thought comes in, try to immediately release it to the side and just focus on that blank space again. When it comes to a couple tips, there's a few things that you can do, or at least I do, that I think help go through the process. The first thing is starting small. And what you want to do is maybe only do 1 to 5 minutes of deep breathing meditation, just to kind of get yourself into the groove of things and just help you realize that even just a little bit of this will go a really long way. Tip is to understand that it is a practice. Meditation often takes a decent amount of time to get good at, and allowing yourself to fully relax is pretty difficult, especially in this day and age when we want to just be go, go, go and get everything done. So know that it's going to take some time to work on it. Understand that sometimes may be better than others, and that is totally okay. It's something that you can work on for yourself, and that your progress is independent of anything else. Last tip is trying to make it a habit. And what I mean by this is trying to work it into parts of your daily life that make you not even have to think about it. For example, when I meditate, I usually do it right after I get out of bed. So for me, getting out of bed is the trigger to then go meditate. For you, you might want to meditate after breakfast. So eating your meal for breakfast is a trigger to then go meditate after. You just need to find something that works well for your lifestyle where you can work in some meditation. Remember, a few simple minutes will go a long way in this endeavor. I really appreciate all you Special Olympics athletes letting me come on and talk to you about some introduction to deep breathing and meditation. This stuff takes time to get used to, but give it a shot. I guarantee you will feel much better and relaxed and more focused to take on the rest of the day. If you're interested in joining myself, Logan, in my personal training services, whether it's through virtual means or you want to do it through in-home one-on-one training, feel free to reach out to allstrongfitnessllc at gmail.com for more information. Otherwise, you can also go on to allstrongfitness.org for more information as well. I appreciate the time again, athletes, and we'll make sure to catch you next time.